Hi there and welcome back. Good news, our neighbor Udo will be back next weekend, so I will use this weekend and add some finishing touches to his stairs and to his porch. So, let's get started. This is how we left the building site last week. Now that I have the correct measurements for the handrail, I can continue working. As well, I will add another step to the stairway, as the existing first step is still too high when you can't bend your knee. But one step at a time. First, the handrail. This weekend we celebrated, socially distanced, Laszlo's birthday. That's the reason why this video comes a day later. Thank you for your kind congratulations in the comments of last week's video. Look at the top of the left post. That's magic. So, how to add another step to an already existing stairway? My answer is clear. Off-site modular construction.
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
This is a combination of stain and wood preserver.
Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more.
Later on, the entire construction will be set in concrete. While editing it, I suddenly doubt that only 2 metal rods are enough. Maybe I will modify it next weekend. As well, over the next weeks, I will fill the hole that's left in the foundation where the old stairs have been. It still has to dry a bit. So, for now, Udo should be able to get into his house. But the porch still doesn't look that welcoming as it should. I guess with a broken kneecap, you've got other problems than tidying. Let's change it, to give him a warm homecoming. With these awnings, the veranda almost looks like a circus tent. Why not make it a decoration theme? I hate it when they sell stuff without any kind of system to unpack it. This was the German element to this episode. It is Udo's dream to change the old porch roof this summer. Until then, these awnings cover the old corrugated plastic. Udo, I think it's time to come home now. We are so much looking forward to dinner parties and warm summer nights at this table. And when the knee hurts, there is a place to rest and sleep. And yes, I will exchange the porch roof for you in summer. Promised. See you all next week. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.